Good day, viewers. Walter here. Or rather, should I say good evening. When you get to be a lazy old booger bear like me, and you decide you want a midnight snack, and you're the head of the household, at least when the better half ain't down here to tell you what to do, you decide you want a midnight snack. I reckon that's what we're gonna have, a midnight snack. At least something to eat. I've been a YouTubing, strutting around here watching these videos on the YouTube, and I'm hungry. There's stuff on the table, but I don't want that on the stove. I mean, we got some leftovers. Let me show you what we got here. First of all, let me show you what we got today. We got an air fryer. And I used it for the first time today. Let me show you what I made. I done it myself. Now I made some hot wings, and the wife will really like them. I like hot wings, so I made them tonight. Hold them under the light. Anyway, there's a good 1, 2, probably about 10 of them left over. And I know she'll eat those tomorrow. Got some leftover soup that a neighbor kindly brought up here for us today. Homemade vegetable soup, and that was pretty good. But I don't want that neither. So I was looking in the freezer and I found me some French fries. And we got to try out in that booger beer of air fryer. There ain't no high dollar air fryer. It's a little cheap one. I think it'll probably work just fine. So let's have French fries for a midnight snack. Here we go. Now, being no culinary expert, we're just going to do the best we can. Let's put a little no-stick spray in that one. We'll put a no-stick in here. Oh, that ought to be a plan. And then back in the refrigerator. Put a little no stick on there. Now let's go to the air fryer. Let's go for 20 minutes. And give it some high power, 400. Oh, you know, it might help to plug it in. I got that old boy plugged in and warming up. In about 10 minutes, I'll take a look at them and shake them up, turn them over a little bit, and cook them another 10 minutes. Unless they start looking too crispy. But our midnight snack is well on its way to Walter's tummy. Now while that's a-cooking, let's have us a little holdover. Let's have us a Reese's Pieces. A little hunk of chocolate candy guaranteed to be non-fattening, low-calorie. Stick to Walter's Ribs candy. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. 0.55 ounce. In other words, just a bite. I won't let you see me poking in my face. I believe me, it's going in. I'm chomping away. Things is coming together for Walter's midnight snack. We've done tossed the fries. They're on their second cook. Now these fries were frozen when I started. I reckon it'd do faster if you made your own. We're going to steal one and see if it's getting crispy. Oh boy, I burnt my tongue. It could be just a little crispier, but there ain't a thing wrong with that. Boy. And give them boogers about 4 more minutes. Can't stand it no more. We're gonna stop right there. Check that out. I'm going to go slide up in front of my TV. I got to catch up. You know what? I'm going to put some artificial salt on there. I would rather be using real salt. Oh, come on, folks. Let's go slide up in front of the smart TV. Do some of YouTubing. Thanks for listening. This is Pwalpar, heading off to eat a midnight snack.